Hi guys, today I will be unboxing this Ryobi 18 volts impact drill. So you can see here some information in the box. So impact mechanism designed to drive long screws and bolts. Then rotary impact mechanism generates high torque, 180 Newton meter for improved performance. Then variable speed, reverse and brake. Okay, so it's using a One Plus tools, 18 volts batteries. So any battery with the 18 volts and the One Plus Ryobi will fit to this one. So in this box is only a tool without the battery, I think. Yeah. You can see here. Okay, so okay, I'll try to open this one now. I don't know, probably. Open from here, probably. Okay, now it's open. So this is the impact drill. Okay, then let's see what else in the box. So first there's the manual. Let's see, then there's one more here. Try to open the other side as well. Other side. Have here nothing else but just the drill or the screwdriver. This one. Okay, so normally it is placed here. Okay. Right, but now I don't have the battery in the box, so I'll show you. I have here the other Ryobi tool. So this is the edge trimmer, and it's also using a One Plus battery, 18 volts. So I will try to use this battery from this one. Okay, now I got the battery, the One Plus 18 volts Ryobi battery. So this one fits with this power tool. So try to put in, and to remove it, just like that. Press on the side, put it back. Then we can try this bit to put the tool. Just pull it out, then push it in. See, it's locked. To remove it, like this. So it's not like this because it will just fall out. So just pull it out, then like this, and then it's locked. Then to try if it's turning, then see, reverse, forward, This is the reverse one. Try the other side again. So if you just press halfway, then it just slow, then press more, then faster, then press more, then so fast. Then we try the other bit, the screwdriver. This one. See this one, the Phillips screwdriver. Pull out, then make sure it is locked, then try forward, then reverse, press this. Okay, so that's it. This is the Ryobi 18 volts impact driver. Again, please hit like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.